We use ginger, turmeric, clove, garlic, and other spices in food, as tea, even on our body. We all love natural things. But today, I will tell you the biggest lie we believe about natural spices. This lie sent one woman in my area to the hospital. But before I tell you the whole gist, hit the subscribe button. Healing Kitchen with XterPed. So you see this woman, someone told her that she could use ginger and clove to cleanse her body. She started drinking it in the morning and in the evening, every day, no break, no limit. She was enjoying it. After a few days, she started having pain in her tummy and she couldn't sleep. She thought spices are natural. She could use them anyhow. That's the lie. It's the biggest lie. Being natural does not say that anybody can use them anytime, anyhow. Too much of everything, is bad. Even if you drink too much of water, it may disturb you. The problem is not about the ginger or the clove, it's knowing how to use them. For example, if you use too much of turmeric on your body may inch you. If you drink too much of ginger tea, you may have stomach pain. If you use wrong amount of clove in your food may taste bitter. So what should you do? You just need to know these 5 things before you begin to use spices. Number one, how should you use them? Should you drink them as tea? Should you use them in your food? Should you use them on your body? They work differently. Number two, when to use them. Should I use them in the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening, before meal, or after meal? If you want to use it to cook your food, should you use it before you start cooking, when you are cooking, or after you finish cooking your food? Number three, this one is important. How much you are going to use. If you use too much, there may be problem. If you use too little, it may not be good enough. You just need to know how to use the right amounts. Number four, how many spices should I mix together? Because different spices support one another. So you need to know which one to put together so that it will give you good results. Number five, knowing your body. Your body is different from my body. You must know which spices work with your body, which one agree with your body before you start to use it. You should not be afraid of using spices. Spices are good. They support your health, but you must know how to use them the right way. That's why here on Healing Kitchen with XterPed, we teach you the right way to use spices and simple healthy tips. So tell me in the comment section which spices you use wrongly. Don't forget to share this video with others. Till I see you in my next video, learn how to use spices rightly. Thank you.